When you change mode, different height mode. Now in motion it is 190 millimeter hollow and solid mode. After you first you take out those boots 1 2 3 back 1 2 here 1 2 3 4 boots, and then let machine work push this pallet come here, and then use forklift take out the mold and then put a new mold here, put one pallet, put one new mold here. Let this change this block receiver motor cable location. Let block receiver go there, and then mold will come into the machine, and then put the boots not fasten, and then put those boots not let fasten, and then fasten this one, and then let head mold insert in mold box, and then fasten. It will be okay. Because mold head not steam, so you also need to change the this not need to change 1 2 3 those three mold sensor location, and you also need to not this boost not let this part, let those boots could move, and this part and this part could come down. When this let this area same height with let this area material trolley surface same height with mold box. It is okay, and then use this here come down, and let this boost come down little, this boost one by one, then it will be okay. Now in machine it is solid block mode. We change paper mode, but you should let the mold box go upside little, and then take out the boots. Take out those 4 boots 1 2 3 4, and then take let this head mold go down, and then take out 1 2 3 4 5 boots. Head mold go down, insert in the mold box, and then not take out, just make it not fasten. Then it will move, just like that.掉了。
我这一听，不用，回来了，开了。好，接着骂的，你非得。来不及，来不及。我是外牛的，把我手指头接的。
Then let head mold and mold box go outside.
你看那是热的没事，你吹着，你站那个草的土上活一下没事。
Then
我直接打烟筒打那个火石上，
最难说。
我让那以后怎么了？那地字母都凉了，快叫。
then let pellet go front. The mold will come outside. Okay, then you can use forklift. Take away the mold. Take out the. This is how to take out the mold. When you install the paper mold, let this part go down. This part go upside. This part install mold box. This part install head mold. And then put this one. And change this motor location. Then this block receiver would deliver the mold into the machine. Notice the location. Yes, just like this. Push. Push also okay.
你那边这同志们歪那边。
就是说这土里边我是真的臭味儿啊。
And then adjust the mold location. Then install the boost. That will be okay. Those boots insert.这个能到什么程度啊？这箱？啊，只要说它一压缩就行了，压缩一部分。
你拿着那个。 你拿着它就没上。
Okay, and this one and this one. Then okay, mood box finished to install.
来，看看。
这就直接上进吗？
哎。
哦，这音乐在里边，所以说直接上进就行了是吧？
哎。
啊。
对着。
啊。
你看对这些非常好的。都发表就是。
Head mode insert in mood box, then you can, but you still not need where fasten this boost 1, 2, 3, and back also have 3. You test. Let head mode insert into mood box. If smoothly, then you can fasten the boots.
把这个拆破完了。
它这上面的电，
你把这个拆破完了，你到时候看都上不着了。
And then now need to, you can see, put a pallet and let the mold box put on the pallet. Then you can see that one it is material trolley. You can see material trolley head is much here than mold box surface. So we should let the material trolley go down side. First, this one it is railway for the material trolley. We dig out those bolts and let this railway go down.
还有
你落了个啥？
嗯，
咱们点开烟包，
我
这
要上点
哎呀，喝起来啊！
还孤单。
不，
喝起来啊！
狗蛋我还5个小狗，俺那给兜里头似的，对。
那也行啊。
咱不想给散他。什么呀
And then not 1, 2, and because those two bolts, and this one, and this one, it will support this frame. This frame, it will support the material trolley and hopper. So we must, but material trolley need to go down. So those part need to go down. You can see this part go down side, and then let the material trolley head same with the mold box head, then it will be okay. And then 弄完这些，然后再怎么弄？啊，那就是啊，就该调感应器了是吧？感应器第一个不动是吧？第一个也得往下降。This sensor come to this. This is 80. Go down to 20. Go down. You push. We modify this color fader. Use wheels. Then it will be easy for you to move this color fader. ，And you notice this the sensor we change hollow block mode change to paver mode 60. So this is a paver. This is the 80 paver sensor location. You can see here. Notice this location. In manual, I will also explain to you how to confirm those sensor location. This is the color fader. Now you can see here, this part, it is high. We should, you see this drill. This drill wheel, it is the color fader drill wheel. It should connection wheel with this block machine material feeder railway. So now we need to one by one let this color feeder go down. When it arrives same height, it will be okay. You can see here. This one it is a color feeder railway. This is block motion material railway. Let it down.
现在那个档案主要现在那两个主要
those boats let go down and then let the block motion railway seam connection wheel with color feeder railway. 哎，这样一上落实行了。And then use boots 1, 2 confirm color feeder location. That said, also have those two boots. Okay now. All sensors of those machine are to the mark for location. You can see here. Black color pen. Let's see here. All have. This pellet feeding machine total have here have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last one. What? Here. It is here. Do the mark. When you receive machine, if sensor location move, find the black mark. And let us see the sticker. Here, this one. To the mark. Sticker have 4 sensor. This one here, 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 and this one. In-house the block machine have each one. You can see now it is a hollow block. You can see top one no change, no matter pivot or hollow block. Here's the pivot, hollow block, hollow block. Hollow pivot, hollow, hollow pivot. This is the hollow and solid. This is the pivot. This is for the pellet feeding machine. Here I do the mark. This is the pellet box. Do the mark. You can see it has the mark. This one has the mark. This one. And this one, nav. All sensors location. I do the mark and show you.